right? Is that it? Is that it?
You got me there. You really got me there.
Kami dito sa Spit, mahilig kami sa mga talk show. And we love watching interviews, especially with celebrities. So can I have a type of celebrity that you'd like to see interviewed? For example, celebrity chef. Athlete. What kind of sport?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. Oh, you're in luck because meron kaming episode ngayon with a volleyball player na celebrity. But the thing is, medyo sira kasi yung video recording device namin. So we're going to be playing this interview from the end all the way to the beginning. So ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our host and our celebrity volleyball player. Let's give them a round of applause.
Once again, thank you so much for inviting me. It has been quite a while since the game, but thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's so wonderful to have you in this show. Wow, magnificent. Please, give a message to all of your fans.
Finally, I was able to express all these things. It's very cathartic. Thank you very much, Mildred, for this interview.
Tapatan na, because I know you are feeling very anxious before this interview. How are you feeling right now?
Hindi naman ako yung nag-out dun sa bola, pero bakit ako in-out?
So may nakarating sa amin na there might be a little bit of foul play in the court. Can you talk a bit more about that?
Actually, yung libero talaga namin, he's not a... Funny that you brought that up. Kasi hindi naman talaga kami na nag-uusap nung libero namin.
Ariel, maraming nagtatanong. Yung libero nyo sa team, if I may nag-uusap pa ba kayo?
Brings back memories nung naglalaro pa ako. Bigat, Mildred! Ano ba?
I remember, 10 years ago, I saw you. This is not the first time we've seen each other. I saw you play na. Remember?
Ganito yun ganito yun.
Wow!
Yun na yung huli. Yun na yung huli.
Now, Ariel, alam ko, madami dito sa fans mo at sa mga nanonood, I'm very excited to see you play. Can you demo for us? Can you demo for us?
Minsan, nahihirapan talaga ako na balikan yung time na naglalaro ako. But ayun.
Now I understand you've been doing this for how many years? 10 years, 20 years, no? And I've seen you grown. I'm sure your fans, your family have also seen you grown. How is it for you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Am I right? Is that it? Is that it?
You got me there. You really got me there.
But Ariel, of course, hindi naman kami papalampasin ng oras na to para hindi to ipakita sa'yo. Oh, surprise!
Oh my God! Diyos ko, ngayon lang ako lumabas sa TV. Tapos may surprise agad. Oh my God, Mildred. I'm really...
Calm down, I don't want to shock you or anything. So I want to ask, are you ready for a surprise?
Oh my God, ito ba yung mga binigay ninyo sa audience din? Ito rin ba yung mga binigay ninyo? Oh my God! Parang nalito ako.
Ariel, okay lang. Because I have something here in the studio. Hindi namin sinabi sa'yo to, pero ibibigay namin to. Hulaan mo para kanino.
Oh my God! Talagang walang nag-a-assist sa akin dito. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me here.
And everyone, we have a special guest. Siyempre, hindi niya alam kung ano ang makikita at ma-witness niya. We have him, takip sa mata. So let's all welcome Ariel!
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ariel and Cara with reverse interview. Medyo mahirap yun, no? May na-confuse ba dito?
Sabaw! Eto na nga, Spit Manila.